Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. And today's topic is active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice is a verb which is said to be in the active when the person or a things denoted by the subject acts, or you can say that active voice is used when we want to emphasize the doer of the action. A doer of the action means, for example, I write a letter or he writes a letter. Example will be like this: I write a letter or he writes a letter. Here I and he, and the verb is write, yeah, writes. And in the passive voice, we use the passive voice when we want to emphasize the action itself, when the action goes by itself. Or in the other words, we can say that passive voice, a verb is said to be the passive voice when the person or a things denote by the subject does not act but suffers the action. For example, a letter is written by me. A letter is written by me, or a letter is written by him. Here, a letter is written by me or a letter is written by him. Now, in the exercise, you will see first you have to learn about how this voice will be changes in the tenses. First tense is a simple tense. When it's a simple present tense, active voice will be, the sentence is I draw sketches regularly. Now here draw will be drawn in a passive and sketches are, now sketches are drawn by me regularly. Now in the present continuous tense, I am drawing sketches. It's I am drawing sketches. And in a passive voice, in the present continuous, sketches are being, the word will be are being drawn by me. Now in the present perfect tense, the word is I have drawn, and now it will be I have been drawn. In a passive voice, or in the present perfect tense, I have drawn and I have been drawn. In a passive, simple past tense, I drew sketches. Now in a passive voice, in a simple past, sketches were drawn by me. Sketches were drawn by me. In a past continuous tense, I was drawing sketches. Sketches were being drawn by me. In a past perfect, see, I had drawn sketches. Sketches had been drawn by me. Had been. And in a simple future, I will or I shall, will or shall are used in simple future. I will or shall draw sketches. Sketches will or shall be drawn by me. And when the modal verb are there, in the modal verb, I can, I may, I must, I should draw sketches. Sketches can, sketches may, sketches must, or sketches should be drawn. The word will be drawn by me. Now we will start with exercise A. Here we have to rewrite this sentence by changing them into an active voice to passive voice, or from passive voice to active voice. The first sentence is Abha watered the plants. This is an active. The passive will be plants were watered by Abha. Plants were watered by Abha. Okay, now second one, the princess was followed by the soldiers. The soldiers followed the princess. Now this was the passive, now active is the soldier followed the princess. The third one is they punished guilty. The guilty was punished by them. The guilty was punished by them. Then in the fourth one, my great grandfather had built this bungalow. The bungalow was built by my great grandfather. The bungalow was built by my great grandfather. Fifth one is health products are manufactured by him. He manufactured healthy products. He manufactured, it will be healthy healthy products. Now sixth one, the case was solved by Mr. Chatterjee. Simple sentence will be Mr. Chatterjee solved the case. Mr. Chatterjee solved the case. Now seventh one, I allowed him to enter the hall. He was allowed to enter the hall by me. Now eighth one is someone should clean this area. The area should be cleaned by someone. The should be cleaned by someone. Now ninth one is somebody must have picked up my book. My book must have been picked by somebody. My book must have been picked by somebody. Now in the section B, exercise B, we have to read these speech bubbles and rewrite them in passive voice. First one is do not disturb me. The sentence will start with let. Let me not be disturbed. Let me not be disturbed, E-D, disturbed. Pass this book to him, please. The sentence will start with let. Let this book be passed to him, please. Let this book be passed to him, please. Now, third one is cut your hair regularly. The sentence will be like this. Let your hair be cut regularly. Then write an essay. Let an essay be written. Open your mouth. Let your mouth be opened. Now, here you have to, your mother is instructing you to clean your room. Now you have to write this instruction in a passive voice. First one is pick up the things lying on the floor. Let the things lying on the floor to be picked up. Then keep them where they belong. Let the things be kept where they belongs. Put the pens in the case. Let the pens should be put in the case. Now in the exercise D, we have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs which are given in the brackets. Now before that I am giving you some instruction. What we have to write here, either the sentence will be was, were plus third form of verb, or had been plus third form of the verb. Now, the people in the Ratnavali village were very happy today. Just a month ago, they had been forced, ya were forced. You can write they had been forced, or you can write were forced. Were forced by some officials to vacate the village. They were told that a major multinational company would take over the area. A big industrial projects had been planned. Had been planned. Planned there. Many trees had been cut. Had been cut. A few buildings had been demolished. A few buildings had been demolished. Preparations were going strong when Rambha Kaki, a village elderly, decided to take charge. She gathered a strong force of men and women all ready to save their native place. Meetings were conducted. Preparations, plans were made. It will be made. Were made. And the day was decided when they would go to the head officials and put their points forward. Rambha Kaki, along with her army marched to these officials, all prepared and positive. In the beginning, they they were not allowed. They were not allowed. They were not allowed to enter the office, but their relentless efforts forced the officials to call them in. Talks were held. Talks were held. And the issues were discussed. Were discussed. The villagers were even bribed. The villagers were even bribed. B-R-I-B-E-D. Bribed to vacate their land, but the villagers under the leadership of Rambha Kaki refused to give in. They sat in and out of the office for 1 full week, hungry and thirsty, refusing to give in. It was the eighth day. Some sympathy for the poor people was shown. By the head officers, young advisers. Tables were turned when he was able to convince the team of officers to yield in the rightful demand of the villagers. So you have seen the act here that active and passive voice in a present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future and modals verb. So I hope you have understand about the voices. Read this chapter and this video very well. We will once again meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.